Alright guys, I'm doing a cabin air filter on a 2021 Buick Encore. All-wheel drive. I think it's like a 1.4 liter, 1.5 liter, something like that. Somebody's been in here before. I've worked on these before. What they do is they grab the center right here and they yank down on it and it pulls these tabs. But they don't disconnect the piston right there. And it breaks the tab down there on the bottom. What you're supposed to do is take your fingers, kind of slide down towards the bottom of this thing. You'll feel the little ridge, and you just push it off like that. Pop the piston off. Then you grab the center here with the piston off and you pull down. If I had two hands, I could have done it a little softer than that. That's a little too aggressive, so don't do it like I just did it. Do it a little softer. You pull down, it pulls these little tabs away from the side, and then you get inside here and you just push these little tabs on each side, here and over here. This slides out. Take your old cabin air filter, put it in, or take it out and put the new one in, and then take this, snap it back in place. Make sure the little arrow's facing down right here, airflow down. Snap this back in place. Take this door. Make sure your piston is moved back forward like that. Take this door, push it up like that, and then you'll take this hand and feel for the alignment. Snap the piston back in. Cabin air filter changed. If you guys like these kind of videos, hit the thumbs up, leave me a message, subscribe to the channel. Why not? You've got nothing to lose. Be blessed. Take care.